officials of the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency, NDLEA, and other sister agencies embark on a road walk in Abuja to sensitize the public on the dangers of illicit drug trafficking and drug abuse. According to the NDLEA, the illicit drug market in Nigeria is still massive despite the gains reported by the agency over the past 2 years. In 2016 alone, over 8,000 suspects have been arrested by the agency for allegedly trafficking about 264 million kilograms of illicit drugs, including cocaine, heroin, and cannabis. This is an improvement over the previous year, in which the agency recorded 8,778 arrested suspects with about 904 million kilograms of illicit drugs. In spite of this apparent success, the agency is expressing concern over rising incidences of abuse of some prescription drugs amongst young people.
There are also the misuse of illicit drugs, which means they are legal, but they are taken in doses out of proportion to what is prescribed. For instance, I can tell you for one that is the vogue now, tramadol. The ones that are found around the world is only 50 milligrams. The ones that people peddle in Nigeria are 230 to 250 milligrams. Even a horse taking that will have an effect.
Speaking on how to curb the trend, the chairman of the House Committee on Drugs says there is need to back existing laws with enhanced sensitization.
I think what we have in Nigeria is okay with us. So I don't think it's necessary we increase the punishment or any other thing. So we're okay with what we have. What we should do is educating both the users, the end users, and those people peddling the drugs. That is not good for health. It is not good for the country.
Although some countries, including Malaysia, China, and Singapore, administer capital punishment for illicit drug traffickers, punishment for traffickers in Nigeria is much less consequential, ranging from 5 to 20 years imprisonment. Currently, however, there is a bill from the NDLEA in the Senate seeking to amend some of these laws.